everybody. Today we are working on the Chanel S Series Weed Whacker. So I pulled the carburetor off, and I cleaned the area, or the parts where fuel circulates through those from the tank up into the carburetor to then into the engine, which then sparks, fires, runs. So I believe there's some difficulties in the float bowl because it's just I believe I'm not 100% sure on this, but I believe the float bowl is what makes sure the fuel, like how much fuel goes in at a time instead of just air. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and pull that off. And by the way,
Been recording for 1 minute.
And by the way, everybody, never spray this in your face, okay? This has chemicals, everything else in it.
It can make you blind.
Yeah, it could make you blind. So do not spray this in your face.
Or don't even try.
No, don't even use it unless you don't know what to do. I know what to do because I knew what holes everything shot out of here. And so I sprayed it through there, came out there. Sprayed it through there, came out there. I knew that. So I had it like this, and I sprayed it, and then it went out that way. So never spray this in your face. Don't even use it if you don't know what to do. Like, it's highly poisonous. Do not spray it anywhere near your face. Do not spray it on you. Spray it on the equipment you are using.
But make sure if you spray it on your face, run to the nearest water because the chemicals you get the kind of
run to the nearest water source. I mean, if I would spray it in my face, I'd probably just pour this up all over my face. But anyways,
dump your head in the pool.
or if you have a pool, run your pool and dunk your head in.
Or just go full on and jump in it.
But I don't think people will.
Probably would be too intense.
Yeah. So yeah, do not spray this anywhere near your face, anywhere else, because it's highly dangerous. Same thing.
I've been recording for 2 minutes and you didn't cut out.
Good. Okay. Same thing with starting fluid and WD-40, all those things. Do not spray any aerosol cans in your face.
What are you doing with that?
Now we can pull it around. Is that a helicopter or a motorcycle?
Probably a motorcycle.
I believe it's a helicopter. Yeah, it's a helicopter.
What if it was a plane? I've never seen a helicopter before in
Alright.
my life.
Yeah, it's a
Is
helicopter.
World War III going on out there?
We're protected inside this very well-built shed.
Yeah, very well,
Crap, that's a motorcycle. Somebody's riding it up and down. No, it's a helicopter. Let's go outside and look. Or it's a really long line. Helicopter, right there.
Oh, goodness! Cool!
Yeah. See out there? Oh, up a little bit. See? That little thing is moving is a helicopter. I knew that was. Hey, here goes another.
Oh, goodness! What, is there a helicopter parade going on?
Maybe, I don't know.
Go back inside.
That one's a different color. That one's a bit smaller, too.
Looks like a police.
Maybe. I don't know.
Probably something big's going on.
Probably. It might just be doing tests. Some people, they're like flying helicopter tests, because some people do own helicopters and they play around with them.
Oh, yeah. Making sure they don't have the...
Why do I keep swallowing my ice cream?
Remember not to say the V, because YouTube doesn't like people saying it.